Storm damage can leave your roof in disrepair, exposing your home or business to further issues. For expert roof replacement in Prairie Village, Longmont, Colorado, trust Denny's Roofing to get the job done right. With so many roofing companies out there, it's important to know who you can rely on after a storm. Beware of storm chasers who promise the moon just to get you to sign a contract. We're a local, trusted team with years of experience in roof repair and replacement. We use top-quality materials and expert craftsmanship to restore your roof's strength and durability. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent customer service and clear communication. From inspection to installation, we guide you every step of the way. We understand the urgency that comes with roof damage, and our team is prompt and responsive. Our goal is to get your roof replaced quickly, efficiently, and with minimal disruption to your life. Every roof replacement project we undertake comes with a warranty. We back our work so you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. Ready to replace your roof? Trust the local experts at Denny's Roofing to restore your property's integrity and value. Call us today at 970-275-4012. Visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company for more information. Denny's Roofing. Quality craftsmanship, trusted service.